Hi. Hello. What are we looking at? We are looking at the S&P 500 with 50% of companies having reported earnings for the fourth quarter ending 2022. And how do we look right now? We are still down. Fourth quarter is down minus 5.3%. Down. This is not looking good for the economy. Okay? And with the Fed still hiking 25 bips, you know you're going to be in trouble at some point. Who's doing the worst? Communication services, materials, consumer, financial, information technology, healthcare. Here's your 5.3% drop. So, it's pretty much everyone is down. The only people that are doing okay is energy, big deal. Real estate, thank God. Industrial, oops. Everyone else is down. And you could see market is up. Why? Because they think that somehow rates are going to stop going up for a while because inflation is under control. Please, I'm going to do a video on that. I don't believe so. And I don't believe there's enough information for the Fed on inflation to decide whether to actually have a pivot. I mean, that's crazy. No way you're going to get a pivot now. So be careful out there. We're still not out of the wood. Just keep listening.